Hello people, you are welcome back to yet another tutorial video. If you are new here, you're most welcome. My name is Chichi for short, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And in today's tutorial, it's all about how to sew your keyhole bustier. Please, a quick notice to you guys, this is the pattern drafting tutorial for the making of what I'm about to show you in this particular video. Please, to understand better what is going on right here, please go check that out so that you don't miss out on anything I'll be doing in this particular video. Thank you. I have the fabric folded into two and place the first pattern on it, and then I cut along just as you can see. This is in two, so I have the fabric in one and then two. Okay, so I place this aside and move next to the other one, and I place, this is the center part of the pattern, and I place and I cut as well. So this is it, and I open it up. This is what we have. That's for the center piece of the dress. So we have this, and we set this aside, and we continue cutting until we have everything cut out. This is the back pattern. I place on the fabric in two as well, and then I cut out as well. I also open up like this. This is one, and then the second one, and I also set apart just like so. And this is the fabric I'll be using to cut the keyhole area. So I place this on fold as well, place my pattern on it just like this, and stabilizing it on the fabric with the help of my pins, and then I cut along. I first of all cut the neckline and I cut the keyhole area. Then for this part, you can see I added 1 inch. This is what I'll be using for my seam allowance to join it to the upper part of the dress. So I have it done, and I open it up just like so. So this is what we have for the keyhole area. So I have my bustier stitched down. This is what it looks like. Please check out my other videos on how to cut and make this bustier. So I have it stitched down. Then I get my black piece. If you notice, I changed the black lace, and that was because the initial one was not skin friendly at all. So I have this part of the lace taped in with the help of a bias. If you are using a mesh net, you can cut double of it and then use it to turn each other, but I am using a lace, so I turned it with the help of a bias, and then the neckline area I also did the same thing with the help of a bias, just to knit in the edges. So I place the lace on the fabric just like so, and then I get the interfacing, I place it over like this, and this is how I'm going to be stitching. Remember, the lace is in between the interfacing and the fabric itself. And after I'm done stitching the 3 pieces together, this is what I have. So this is what you should have as well. So the upper part keyhole area of my dress is ready to be attached to the lower part of the dress. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Like, share, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Put up your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for everything we're aiming